Today, we'll be talking about the Cornix AI trading bot. This cryptocurrency trading bot is designed to simplify the trading experience by automating many of the processes, such as following signals and executing trades on your behalf. It's a tool that's been designed with both beginners and experienced traders in mind, offering a variety of features to cater to different trading styles and preferences. Cornix boasts a plethora of features. These include automated trading, where the bot follows signals and executes trades automatically, and semi-automated trading, where you get to approve each trade. It also offers auto trailing, which follows the market trends to maximize profits, and detailed analytics to monitor your trading performances. It's compatible with a range of popular exchanges such as Binance, BitMEX, and Bybit, and it's accessible via Telegram. Cornix offers three subscription plans. The basic plan is free and allows for manual trading only. The advanced plan costs $25 per month and includes semi-automated trading. The premium plan, priced at $42 per month, offers full automation and priority support. This tiered pricing structure allows you to choose a plan that best suits your trading needs and budget. Cornix is ideal for those who want to automate their trading, to save time, or to trade 24/7. It's also perfect for beginners who want to learn trading without much risk, as it allows for semi-automated trades where you approve each one. If you're an experienced trader who wants to maximize profits by leveraging the bot's advanced features like auto trailing, Cornix is a great fit. The main advantages of Cornix are its flexibility and user-friendly interface. It offers both full and semi-automation options, making it suitable for traders of all levels. Its compatibility with popular exchanges and access via Telegram make it convenient to use. The auto-trailing feature is another plus, as it aims to maximize profits by following market trends. Moreover, the detailed analytics help users monitor and improve their trading strategies. Despite its advantages, Cornix has some limitations. The free plan is quite basic, only offering manual trading. The bot also relies on signals for its automated trades, which means its effectiveness depends on the accuracy of these signals. Additionally, while it supports many popular exchanges, some are not included. Lastly, as with all trading bots, there's a learning curve involved, especially for beginners. Cornix is a versatile and user-friendly trading bot that caters to a range of trading styles and preferences. Its key strengths lie in its automation features, auto-trailing, and detailed analytics. However, it has limitations such as dependency on signals and a learning curve for new users. Its tiered pricing structure allows users to choose a plan that best suits their needs. In conclusion, Cornix AI Trading Bot is a robust tool with a host of features designed to simplify and optimize your trading experience. It's particularly beneficial for those seeking to automate their trading, though it does have a few limitations. Nevertheless, its flexibility, user-friendliness, and tiered pricing make it a compelling choice for both beginners and experienced traders. Thank you for watching this analysis of the Cornix AI trading bot. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you did, please give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, happy trading.